guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be opening Rainbocorn Puppycorn Surprise. There's 7 puppycorns to collect, and I am Audrey, and this is my cousin, Connie.
Hi, I am Connie.
Today we're going to be opening this. I already showed you guys, but I want to show you back. 7 surprises. Can you find the best and show puppycorn? The golden dot. I think scratch and reveal heart. So now let's open it. Yoo-hoo. Ugh. Let me take this. Whatever. I'm going to break it. It's a blue egg with something inside. Ugh. Why does it take so long? Oh my gosh, there's literally already a crack in my egg. I got ripped off. There's so much. Wow. I didn't even have to. Oh my gosh, there's baby egg bro. Oh, okay. Rainbocorn surprise magic color mix poop. Magic poop. Oh, I got this one. We need to scratch this off. He says scratch and reveal surprise. This is my little puppy. I got this. Now we're gonna scratch open this. Actually, I'm using this.
You sure?
This is pretty fun. Hey. He loves tacos. It's so messy. I'm not scratching it. I'm gonna make a big mess. Whatever. What is this? Oh, so first, let's clean up the mess. Not cleaning up the. Now, first, he loves tacos. He has the blue one, so cute. Open this corn, this bag. It's very thin. Guess what's inside? Some stickers. Some stickers. There's like 6 in there. And mine is not on. Mine is missing. Mine is not on there. Let's open this magic corn poop. It's magic. Huh? You open. Baby one. There's secret corn poop. I got yellow. Why is this so? Wow, look at this. Wow. This has a better smell than this. I'm gonna mix it. Can I mix it? Of course. So pretty. Now it's gonna be stinky. But whatever. I had this like some times ago. And then I threw it away because it like stank too much. Now let's open the baby egg. Now we need the packaging open. Well, there's already a line here. Guess what's inside? The baby egg. Oh, There's nothing else. We finished. Now it's turned into like pale color, like my skin. Just kidding, just kidding. There's like, my sticker is missing. It's so fluffy, I have another big one. Bring it to me. It smells the same. It doesn't smell good. I don't like the smell, but it's so fluffy. And this is its baby. Gimme! I have this llama corn. This is a puppy corn. Llama corn, puppy corn, baby corn. I lost my llama corn baby, so I don't know where it went. Through my house moving. Look at his wings. It's like way different. This one is like thick and it's like kind of squishy. This one is like just paper, card thing. And guess what? His heart is missing. That he must go away. So, bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give it a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. We're 1 million subscribers. Press the subscribe button. We'll see you on next second. Bye. Color change. Bye.